This is a 4 years old compost that I put different plants together and different roots and other things together. Last year was the 3rd year, and the smell, it didn't have no smell. This is the 4th year, so we want to test it this year to see if it have any scent. We have a few more to test, and just stay tuned with us, guys. Remember, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. On this channel, our focus is trying natural product and see how it could work. Adapting nature and put things together and see how the combination works. So, you want to shake it up really good. Right. So we have our bucket. What we're going to do, we're going to open it. No scent. I'm smelling the cover and no scent at all, guys. No scent. This is a beautiful mixture. So let's see how it looks. No scent at all. This is the look of this, guys. This is 4 years old compost. No smell at all. You know what is strange? What is strange to me, because if you put water by itself in a container, it could start stinking. But the combination that I put together 4 years now, still no scent at all. You naturally can put it by your nose. No scent. This is amazing, guys. We all know that compost really smells really bad. This one, no smell at all. This is amazing. This recipe is in my head, guys. In my head. But guess what? We're going up there and we're going and test a few more. So let's go up there, guys. Alright, guys, so this is another one, but this one is not too old. This one is about months. We start this one back in the summer. If you notice, a lot of the thing ain't breakdown as yet, but we could see that the water has abstracted from the leaf itself, and you could naturally see it's in the water itself. No, this one definitely have a scent. This one definitely have a scent. This one is, you see what's in there? Leaf, banana leaf. This one definitely have a scent. Really bad. So what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna take out some of this. Man, this one is really smelling bad. Just follow us, guys. We're gonna be showing you the difference of these compost. They all almost look the same. One is older than the other, but guess what? This one is on another level of stinking. All right, so we're going to do another one that we only use leaf and wood. Let me cover this back. So let's go down to the bottom and make this one work. Okay, this one is about 5 to 6 months old, but recently I now add some fresh leaf inside of it. But this one down here, this one is just organic matter. This one is just leaf and chichong. This one ain't smelling bad, but it have a light scent. But this one ain't smelling bad at all. So guys, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to place them up to the top up there, and we're gonna do some, I'm gonna sample them out in bottles that you guys can see the looks, and we're gonna have a conversation about these 3 different composting. All right guys, so we move them up and we bring them up on this platform here. So let's talk about them. This one is the 4-year-old one that have no smell at all. 4 years old, no smell. This one is the organic matter. This one is from only leaf and the body of the tree breakdown in the blue container that I show you. This one, it's about 6 months old, but this one is different plants from the garden, banana plants, the weeds that grows up in our garden, all the leaf from the plants them. So this is a combination from the garden itself. So we have these 3. What we're going to do, guys, we're going to start mixing them together. All right, we're going to mix them because we want to make a super compost here, supercharged compost that can boost. This one is organic matter. This one is loaded with nutrients, all different type of nutrients, mineral. This one here is loaded with minerals, nitrogen, nutrients. So what we're doing, we're giving a combination. And what we're going to do now, we're going to mix to a certain measurement. We have our measuring cup right here. So we're not going to make too much. So what we're going to do, we're going to throw some of this one inside of it. Okay, we're going to put that to that. We also going to add some of this one into it. And we're going to take this one, we're going to take some out of this container here. This is the one 4 years old. And we're going to mix it. So basically, it's an eye measurement, and we could see we have 2 quarts right there. 2 quarts in this container here. All right, so now what we're going to do now, we're going to take this and we're going to throw it in this bottle. I need a funnel. I should get a funnel. Oh, sorry. So right here, guys, we have a super liquid compost tea right now, mixed from 3 different power sources of compost tea. So this is the mixture right there. All right, now I'm gonna show you this again. This one now, this is the mixture. So this one kind of smell because it's the mixture. It have this one, it have the real smelly one, and it have the other one, that light smell, which is organic matter. So now what we're going to do right here now, we going to fold this one, because this one come from the one that have no smell. So what we're going to do, we're going to fold this container. This now, we going to try this in our garage, because we have a few tropical plants in the garage. It look like gold, guys. It look like gold. So we're going to use it because it have no smell. So we want to see. We tried it last year. and we're going to try it back this year. So this one here is for indoors because this one have no smell at all. It's look like gold, guys. It look like gold. Yeah. I gotta get my funnel next time, guys. Ain't organized this time, but this one for the plants indoors, and this one is a combination of 3 powerful compost. You could call it liquid fertilizer, whatever you want to call it. This one is a powerful, and this one is also powerful, but it have no scent. All right, so guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is real gardening, guys. This is on another level of gardening. This is on another level, guys. So you see, we have our container where we're going to do our measurements. So we have a lot to lay out. We also have to make a couple. One for my friend, a gardener. This for another gardener. So I'm going to give them the combination of the 3 together. All right, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. Peace, love, and blessing to all.